Arts Novo Art and Craft. Art and Craft shop with arts and there.
Hi friends, I am Jagan from Rajnuho Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you all about a drawing book from the brand Faber-Castell. And this includes 3 page mark. I will tell what is that later. And all these paper in this book is 120 GSM, that is thicker paper when compared to any other drawing book. This is the main characteristic feature that I was very impressed. And the back side is also a color wheel where each and every artist or a student should know about this, where it has all the colors, that is primary, tertiary and secondary colors, and what are the cool colors, what are the warm colors. You can also get educated with this color wheel. And this color wheel is selling separately as 100 rupees, 80 rupees, but here they have given it free. You can just cut this color wheel on the corners and then you can pin it. You can see here, you can just cut that on the corners, and also you can see the scissors mark also on the color wheel. So you can just pin it, and then if you rotate it, you will be getting the perfect colors, that is the warm color, cool color, and also the primary, tertiary colors. With that you can apply with your paintings. So this drawing note comes in 2 sizes. One is A4 size, this is just 40 rupees, and also A3 size, that is 60 rupees. That is not A3, I would say that will be a king size. And you can see the thickness of the paper is the most important feature of this Faber-Castell. With 120 GSM thicker paper is also possible only with Faber-Castell drawing note. So this is all about the A4 size drawing note, and now I am going to show you about the A3 size where it has 4 postcards in it. So let me show you what are these. To engage your children's, Faber-Castell has designed these 3 do-it-yourself bookmark, and DIY means do-it-yourself postcards. So here on the, let me show you inside. So first will be the index where you can write down the one by one the day activities, and you can see the thicker paper, 36 pages in this. And finally this is the bookmark where you can just cut this bookmark nicely and then give your sketches or oil crayons like that, and then you can use it as a bookmark. And also you can teach your child what favorite game like skipping, running, jumping, etc. And this one is about the postcard. Here also there will be index, and there is an art certificate also is available with this A3 size. And where you can, if you are in a school, then you can just add this certificate and give it with the school stamp in it. And this also has 36 pages, thicker pages. And finally this is the postcard that I was talking, where you can just write your messages on the side, and then you can just stick a stamp, 5 rupee stamp, and you can sketch it and color it as you wish, and then you can just post it to the desired address, so where it will be delivered to your loved ones. So for just 5 rupees you can just send your messages. Now WhatsApp, Facebook is also coming, but you can also use these traditional methods also. So this is all about the Faber-Castell drawing note. So they have also the color wheel at the back side. I felt this drawing note will engage your kids more in paper wise and also in postcard or do it yourself kit wise, and this is the best I would say when you prefer drawing note. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.